Take your Toyota Tacoma pickup on a whole new adventure with the FH Group made-to-order seat covers, custom fit for your spacious interior. In this video, we will show you all the steps for a simple install. The front set has 7 pieces and offers 2 headrest covers, 2 backrest covers, 2 bottom seat covers, and a center console cover. The rear set has 7 pieces and includes 3 headrest covers, 2 backrest cover sections to accommodate the 60/40 split seats, and 2 bottom seat cover sections. Begin by disconnecting the seat flap located on the rear of the backrest and under the seat bottom. More on that later. Now recline the front seat and remove all the headrests. Begin by stretching the seat cover bottom over the passenger seat. Push the buckle clips through the crevice to the back side and tuck the fabric in. Now use the elastic loop on the inside, extend it around the seat buckle, and tuck the fabric around the seat bottom. Then use the metal hook to secure the cover under the seat base. Then from the front of the passenger seat, lengthen the straps and then stretch them underneath the seat bottom to the back side. On the driver's side, use the elastic loop on the inside, extend it around the seat buckle, and tuck the fabric around the seat bottom. Now on the front of the driver's side seat, feed each strap in between the front molding and the seat cushion. Then stretch them underneath the seat bottom to the back side. Then you will use the 2 foam push bars and insert them into the crevice of the seat base. And tuck the fabric around the seat bottom. From under the back side of both front seats, pull the buckle clips and some of the fabric out from the crevice. Then grab the straps and connect them together with the buckle clips. Adjust, tighten, and secure under the seat. Next, stretch the backrest cover over the bucket seats. Then push the hook and loop straps into the crevice to the back side and tuck the fabric in. From the rear and under the seat, pull the straps out from the crevice and fasten to the back of the original seat flap with the hook and loop adhesive sides. Then reconnect the flap under the seat and using the adhesive strips, fasten the cover to the back side. Now slip on the center console cover. Tuck the fabric around the headrest base, reinsert the headrests, and slip on the headrest covers. Next, lift up one section of the rear seat bottom and begin to slip on the rear seat covers over each section of the bench bottom. Make sure the fabric is lined up properly with the cushion, and then begin to fasten the hook and loop straps onto the fabric of the seat. Now pull all the straps down along the underside and begin to connect them to the buckle clips. Make sure to feed the left and right straps through the loop and then connect the straps to the clip. Connect all the straps, adjust, tighten, and secure under the seat bottom. Keep the sections of the seat bottom in an upright position. Next, remove all the rear headrests. Feed the passenger side rear backrest cover under the seat belt. Slip the cover over the backrest and pull down firmly. Zip up the back side. Now slip on the driver's side rear backrest. Pull down firmly and make sure the controls line up with the cutouts. Tuck the fabric under the headrest base along both sections. Then feed the hook and loop straps under the backrest bottom. Make sure the backrest sections are folded down and begin to fasten all the hook and loop straps to the back side. Stretch the straps outward and fasten down firmly along the back side. And finally, put the seats back into position, reinsert the headrests, and slip on the headrest covers. And that's it! You'll find that the covers are precision cut to meet vehicle specifications, allowing the cutouts access to all the vehicle's controls. Now you can ride in style and comfort with your Toyota Tacoma pickup's newly installed and stylishly innovative custom fit seat covers.